one-room rundown shack on the outskirts of New Orleans. We didn't have money for food or rent, to say the least. We were hard-pressed, and Mama spent every last penny we had to buy me a dancing dress. Mama washed and combed and curled my hair, and she painted my eyes and lips. And then I stepped into a satin dancing dress and had a skirt on the side clean up to my head. And it was red velvet trim and it fit me good. Standing back from the looking glass, there stood a woman wearing half-grown kids. She said, "Here's your one chance, fancy, don't let me down." She said, "Here's your one chance, fancy, don't let me down." Mama dabbed a little bit of perfume on my neck and she kissed my cheek. And then I saw the tears welling up in her troubled eyes and she started to speak. She looked at her pitiful shack and then she looked at me and took a ragged breath. She said, "Your paws run off and I'm real sick and the baby's gonna start to death." She handed me a heart-shaped locket that said, "To thine own self be true." And I shivered as I watched a roach crawl across the toe of my high-heel shoe. It sounded like somebody else that was talking, asking, "Mama, what do I do?" She said, "Just be nice to the gentleman, fancy, they'll be nice to you." She said, "Here's your one chance, fancy, don't let me down." She said, "Here's your one chance, fancy, don't let me down." Lord, forgive me for what I do, but if you now, well, it's up to you. Now don't let me down now, your mama's gonna move you up down. Well, that was the last time I saw my mom, the night I left that rickety shack. The welfare people came and took the baby. Mama died and I paid them back. But the wheels of fate had started to turn, and for me there was no way out. And it wasn't very long till I knew exactly what my mom had been talking about. I knew what I had to do, but I made myself this solemn vow that I was gonna be a lady someday, though I didn't know when or how. But I couldn't see spending the rest of my life with my head hung down in shame. You know, I might have been born just plain white trash, but fancy was my name. She said, "Here's your one chance, fancy, don't let me down." She said, "Here's your one chance, fancy, don't let me down." It wasn't long after that benevolent man took me in off the streets. And 1 week later I was pouring his tea in a 5-room hotel suite.
Yes, you are.
I charmed a king, a congressman, and an occasional aristocrat. And then I got me a Georgia mansion and an elegant New York townhouse flat.
She ain't been bad.
Now in this world there's a lot of self-righteous hypocrites that call me back and criticize mama for turning me out no matter how little we had. But though I ain't had to worry about nothing for nigh on 15 years, I can still hear the desperation in my poor mama's voice ringing in my ear. "Here's your one chance, fancy, don't let me down." She said, "Here's your one chance, fancy, don't let me down." Lord, forgive me for what